I kind of get it. I kind of get it.
Nah, nigga, watch. This hoe's fucking badass.
Yeah. I know, I got it. You going till all the water gets out? Or?
Yeah, nigga. Yeah. That's the hit.
Cool.
This is a waterfall bong. Yeah, look at that. I heard you can do it with beer and like chug the beer as it falls out. I learned that today in school, but I didn't have any beer, so it's okay.
We can still drink the water though. No.
I mean, if you want to drink the water, go for it. It ain't no purified water. I got it from the water hose.
Oh shit! All right. No.
This nigga more
natural.
Yeah.
Oh, natural. What the fuck?
Not even.
It makes me want to take a piss.
For real, it's taking forever.
We have an outside restroom if you need to.
An outhouse?
You should have made
Okay,
like a
that
bigger
came out
hole.
on the camera. Alright. Fucking shit burn me. Yeah, nigga, do it.
Oh,
Let me.
yeah.
Oh, nigga, you fucking up.
He's like,
I got. Ow, nigga, you fucking burned me.
What's up, fool? It's been a minute. Like the last time, whenever it was fucking raining.
Oh yeah.
At the Fox
It's
Creek
out.
Apartments.
No, it's not, nigga. Last time me and her thought it was out, and then we still like had something to put in a bowl.
The water's like stopping.
Yeah, nigga, I got this.
You stopped it there yesterday and we just hit it.
Yeah, fuck it.
Do I stop?
Yeah.